Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a morning yoga sequence that you can do right in your bed. I've learned over the years that using a simple yoga practice in the morning can help me wake up feeling refreshed and energized and give me that little boost to get out of bed. And I want to share that with you in case it helps you too. So if you want to wake up with some yoga, come flow with me. I'd like to start out just laying down in your bed wherever you are and gently allow your eyes to close. Place your palms on your heart. Notice your heart beating underneath your palms. Begin with some gratitude. Think of something you're grateful for. Maybe it's simply your breath or your heart beating. A chance to wake up this morning for a fresh beginning. Maybe it's something you have to look forward to today or later in the week. Or maybe it's something exciting that happened to you in the past few days. Whatever it is, allow your whole body to fill up with that gratitude. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Gently blink your eyes open. Take your arms up overhead for a long body stretch. Maybe take some wrist circles and ankle circles. Stretch out and move your body in any way that feels good to you. As you exhale, bend your knees and hug your knees in towards your chest. Maybe rocking side to side or forward and back. Maybe even taking your knees in circles and then taking them in the opposite direction. Flex your ankles here and lift your head just to look at your toes. And then gently begin to rock forward and back until you come up into a seat. Once you've found your way into a seat, you can take an easy seated position, crossing your legs. And if you feel like your hips are sinking into your bed, go ahead and grab your pillow to take a seat on top of your pillow. This will help you keep a nice, tall spine, bringing your palms onto your knees. Lengthen through the back of your neck, tucking your chin in just slightly, allowing your lower spine, your mid-spine, your upper spine, all to be in one line. Notice your breath travel up and down your spine as you breathe in and out. On your next exhale, bring your right ear towards your right shoulder. Again, keeping that alignment in the spine, not letting your head fall forward, but rather keeping that cervical spine, chin tucked under just slightly. If you want a little bit more, you can always place your right hand over your head, not pulling or forcing, but just as a gentle weight. Breath in and out. Inhale your neck back to center. As you exhale, take your left ear towards your shoulder. Again, notice how this feels. And if you want a little bit more, you can place the left palm over your head. A gentle weight. Feeling the stretch in your neck. Inhale, bring your head back to center. As you exhale, tuck your chin towards your chest. Notice a stretch in the back of your neck here. As you inhale, take your head in a circle, lifting it up. Exhale as you come back down towards your chest. Inhale your way up. Exhale your way down towards your chest. One more time, making a circle with your head. And when you get back to your chest, pause. And we'll take those neck circles in the opposite direction. Inhaling as you come up, exhaling as you come down. Being nice and gentle, slow and smooth. Pause when you come back to center. On an inhale, send your arms up overhead. Grab onto your left wrist as you lean over to your right side, stretching out the left side of your body. Inhale your way back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale your way back to center. This time, grab onto the left elbow with your right palm. Exhale, lean over to your right side. Inhale, come back to center. Opposite side, grabbing onto the right elbow. Lean over to your left side. Inhale your way back to center. Bend your knees, feet flat on your bed. Placing your palms behind you. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Just take a seated figure 4 here. You can find stillness in this space. Or if you'd like, you can even find some movement, maybe rocking your feet, legs side to side. Gentle flex in your right ankle. Noticing where you feel the stretch the most. Breathing into that space. Preparing our legs to carry us throughout the rest of the day, to support us, be the foundation that we move from. Exhale, release the right foot back down. And then we'll go to the opposite side, crossing your left ankle over your right thigh. Again, notice if you feel like movement is appropriate here. Or maybe you find a little bit of movement before you settle into stillness. Continuing to breathe in and out. Notice if you can gently direct the left knee down towards your bed. Just micro movements here can make a big difference. Breathing the fresh air in. Exhale as you release any tension or worry you might be holding on to. Exhale, release the left foot back down. And then with your knees bent, hug your knees towards your chest. Pause here and breathe. Let your upper back round. You might even rest your forehead onto your knees if it feels good to you. As you exhale, swing your legs behind you, coming onto your hands and knees. You can move the pillow out of the way at this point. As you make your way onto your hands and knees, if this feels like too much pressure on your wrists, you can always move onto a harder surface. If it feels good to you, breathe here, move in any way that feels good, maybe taking some head circles. Take them on the opposite direction. And And as you come back to center, inhale, drop your belly low, lift your chin high. Exhale, round your upper back as you look through your thighs. Inhale, find your cow pose. Exhale for your cat pose. Take a few more rounds following your own breath, taking it at your own pace. Waking up your entire body. As you exhale, sink your hips towards your heels and take a seat in a kneeling position. Bring your palms to heart center. We'll take a cleansing breath together to end this practice. Take a deep breath in. Drop your jaw and sigh away. Deep breath in. Drop your jaw and let it all go. You can end your practice here and just get off your bed and get on with your day. Or if you'd like, this is the great opportunity to come back into a seat for a seated meditation or any breathing exercises you'd like to do. I'll link some breathing exercises in the cards as well as in the description bar below in case you're interested. Have a beautiful day. Namaste. If you notice a difference in how your morning and the rest of your day went, let me know in the comments below, and please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video so that more people can find it and more people can wake up happy and energized. If you share this video on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. I always like to share what I'm wearing and any props or the yoga mat I've been using. So today I'd like to share in the comments below this beautiful bedding that I'm using as well as the outfit I'm wearing. They're all from the same company called Cozy Earth, and I am so thankful because they are the sponsor of this video. These are the softest sheets and comforter I've ever used, as well as the softest jogger and tank top that I love to live in. And if you're interested in trying it, if you're in the market for some comfy clothing or comfy bedding, Cozy Earth has generously offered to give all of you 40% off of your purchase by using the link that's in the description bar below. If you want more relaxing yoga videos, check out this playlist right here. You'll also find Vinyasa Yoga and Yin Yoga videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.